Hi my sunshine, my beautiful dolls, welcome back to this here channel. Right here I'm showing you what I will be using on this new set that I thought was really simple yet fun yet really pretty. I'm showing you what I'll be using, and of course that's my number 8 GLiTTeR from Bowen Brushes. As you can see, I already have the infill of the clear coat. These were the lavender or lilac nails or violet nails I did a few videos ago. I'm doing an infill on her, and I will be using the NeoN orange from Exotic Nails. As you can see, I pick up my first pearl and I put it in the middle, and I walk it with the belly of my brush to the tip. And I just walk it, and then at the end I sweep it. The reason I'm doing it in 2 pearls, the nails are not too short, not too long, so I'm doing it with 2 pearls. I do one right there where I need the thickness, and then I do the other one near the cuticle. That way when it overlaps, it gives me that thickness I need for the nail not to break. And then I just walk it on around the cuticle, and then I sweep it up. On all these nails, I do add a little extra on the tip because it stays a little transparent, but it's hardly nothing that I put on the tips, and then I sweep it down towards the cuticle. I'm gonna skip the ring finger for now because it's gonna be glitter. Again, you're gonna see I apply it where I need it to be thick. I need the nail to be thicker. That way when I overlap with the other pearl, it overlaps and makes it thicker. Like you can see, I walk the acrylic with the belly of my brush. You probably can't see with this angle I'm recording that the degrees I use for my brush. At the cuticle area I use 90. I just dip the finger down, and then I walk around the cuticle, sweep, walk around the cuticle once more, and I sweep. Clean anything that I might have gotten around on the skin, and then I sweep again. And like I said, I get a little bit on the tip, sweep it down towards the cuticle. I really like this neon orange color. Again, I'm going to put it at the center, and then I walk it with my belly down to the tip. And I put that on at a 45-degree angle, and again the cuticle at a 90-degree angle. You can see I walk it, and then I sweep with the tip and clean up anything that I might have touched with the tip of my brush. Always clean with my GLiTTeR brush dry, not wet. That way I don't make little streams of acrylic around the cuticle area, which may cause lifting later. And I do the same with the thumb. Depending on the length, for example, these I'm using 2 pearls to apply the acrylic. Sometimes I could use 1, depending if it's shorter. If it's longer, I could go up to 3 or 4 pearls. With her, I'm using the number 8 brush because the nails are so tiny. I don't feel I need to use the bigger brush because I feel like it's gonna pick up pearls too big for her nails. Right here on the thumb, it was meant to be 2 pearls, but I didn't get too close to the cuticle to cover her nail, so I ended up doing another 2 little itsy bitsy pearls. Like I said, it's usually 2 pearls, but we all make mistakes, and we just make up for it. We just correct them. So yeah, as you can see, I actually did 5. That was another one right there. And then I get around the cuticle a little closer to not show any of her skin or her skin color on her nail. And then I come back to the ring finger, and I will be applying it's a matte glitter from the Splash collection. I love this Little mix is so pretty, and she fell in love with it, and she really wanted this one to go along with this orange that she picked out. Really, really pretty. The mix does have all the neon colors, so that's pink, green, blue, and orange, but it doesn't seem that I picked up any orange with these pros I picked up. And as you can see, I'm using the same method I did with the other nails, but I do pick some up at the end of the application to add that orange to combine it with the rest of the nails. I like this neon orange a lot because it kind of looks a little bit like coral, like orangey coral. It's really, really pretty. So you can see right there, I'm hunting for the orange ones and applying them on around the nail, so it could combine better with the rest of the set. I really, really like the set because it's simple, yet it's fun and it's pretty and it catches the eye. It's really, really nice. And then I proceed to encapsulate. I wet the nail first, and of course I added a little more monomer. I can't talk today. I wet the nail and then I apply it. I encapsulate with one pearl on all the nails, and I will be doing that with all the nails as well. So here I begin to hand file, making sure the shape is how it should be. Just in case with the acrylic it might have lost a little bit of the shape, I just reshape. Right here I was filing this way, but I felt it was gonna start to go crooked, so I turned them around to client view and I filed that way to get it straight and crisp. And then I continue doing the sides. From there I move on to the drill, and I seal cuticle area, and then I just slightly go over all the nail. Since the acrylic application was smooth. I didn't need to do a whole lot of filing. So I just shape, and then after this I buff. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I do buff the nail with the orange block. And then I sent her to wash her hands afterwards. After I'm done doing the drill and doing the buffing. I apologize for being out of the camera at some points, but she would push her hand forward and push me out of the camera. And then I clean again with the finish solution, just in case there's anything left. I do ask them to wash with the brush, but sometimes they don't really get in there, so I like to clean again with the finish solution. And then I apply bonder to all the nails around the cuticle area. I do it twice since it's a double adherence, because I feel like it'll do better if I just do the thing, especially because she's really rough with her nails. And then I apply the gelish top coat on her nails, and I cure for 30 seconds after I'm done. I do add it on all the nail, on the tip, and on the sides. And here is her nails already cured. I add a little cuticle oil and a little massage. Thank you so much everyone for watching, for clicking play, for taking your time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, hit the like button, share button, and the little bell if you want to get notified of any more of my videos. Although I don't even think YouTube is doing that, because I have the bell and nothing happens. So here's the end result. I hope you ladies and gents liked. I will be doing my thank yous and welcomes to my channel on my next video from all the people who've commented on my videos. Thank you so much for the support. God bless you bunches. I love you bunches. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. And I'll see you on the next one.